Ethical Hacking Certification Training, a comprehensive guide. Ethical hacking, also known as penetration testing or white hat hacking, is the practice of deliberately and legally exploiting computer systems, networks, and software applications to identify vulnerabilities and strengthen their security. Different types of hackers. White hat hackers, they are also known as ethical hackers, are individuals who use their hacking skills for lawful and ethical purposes. Black hat hackers, they are often referred to as malicious hackers or simply hackers, engage in unauthorized and illegal activities for personal gain or malicious purposes. Gray hat hackers, they fall somewhere between white hat and black hat hackers. Understanding the ethical hacking certification. Importance of certification. Obtaining an ethical hacking certification can significantly enhance one's credibility and marketability in the cybersecurity industry. Popular ethical hacking certifications. There are several recognized and respected certifications in the field of ethical hacking. Essential skills for ethical hackers. Programming and scripting. Knowledge of programming languages and scripting is essential for ethical hackers. Web application security. Understanding web technologies, such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and web frameworks, is crucial for assessing and securing web applications. Tools and techniques used in ethical hacking. Network scanning tools. Network scanning tools like Nmap, Nessus, and OpenBoss are used to discover open ports, services, and vulnerabilities in the target network. Vulnerability scanners. Vulnerability scanners automate the process of identifying known vulnerabilities in systems and applications. Tips for successful ethical hacking certification training. Set clear goals. Define your goals and objectives for pursuing ethical hacking certification. Choose the right certification. Research and select the appropriate ethical hacking certifications that align with your career goals and interests. Conclusion. In conclusion, ethical hacking certification training provides individuals with the knowledge, skills, and ethical guidelines necessary to identify vulnerabilities, assess risks, and protect systems and networks from malicious attacks.